used to harvest the maize. It's the Forage Harvester. It's huge.
It has cutters on the front and a long spout where all the maize will come out.
Hello, Farmer Kitty.
Hello, Tractor Ted.
The Forage Harvester is fantastic.
Watch it, it's really clever.
It's so big. How are you going to get it into the field?
Don't worry, it all folds up, so it will fit down the lane.
Wow, that's amazing. Kitty, I know where the field is.
OK, I'll follow you.
Tractor Ted leads the way, with the forage harvester and the tractors close behind. Tractor Ted speeds on ahead to let Midge and the children know they're coming.
Watch out, everyone! The Forage Harvester is coming! And there are lots of tractors with trailers too! Oh, wow! Here they come!
Everyone gets into a safe place so they can watch the harvesting. One, 2, 3 tractors, all ready to start work. The forage harvester lowers its cutters. It's really wide when they are down. Then it puts out its long arm with the spout. The tractor and trailer drives up alongside, ready to catch the maize. Now it's ready to harvest.